Tracks were cleared for Caleb and Sonic, and both engines are coupled up to their heavy load. Sir John walked forward. You mateys take different tracks around the island. You can only stop for coal and water. Then he blow his whistle. Go! Then he blows. Said go!
That's a good thing, right?
You're almost out of here.
The contest had begun. Caleb and Sonic puffed their pistons. A heat and a huff. I will do it. I'll puff for longer. I will show Sonic how I really am stronger. Sonic smiled as he slithered away. I'll show Caleb who's strong and who's weak. He'll puff home with a squeak and a creak. Then everyone whistled. Go! Caleb and Sonic puffed round the island. They clickety clack on the tracks. They whooshed from woods. Caleb puffed and puffed. Then he holed. Do whatever you want to, but I want to win. Caleb puffed up Abram's hill. His puffing and ringing and his axles ached. At last, he reached the top.
Please hurry.
We gotta get in there.
Hooray! I did it! Then there was trouble. There was a clade and a brain. Thomas Caleb gasped. Cinders and ashes! I've broken my brakes! Cinders and ashes! I've broken my brakes! Caleb's wheels started to whir and to wobble. He fell faster and faster down the hill. Oh no! Help! Help! He raced down one hill. Help! I can't stop! Wow! Rustling boilers! Again, Thomas Caleb is full of bushes. Fizzling fireboxes, how could I stop? With a scrunch and a wow! And came to a stop. Flaming fireboxes! That was scary. Thomas looked around. After the racing and rattling, it was very quiet.
Weasel?
Sonic being warned to the shunting yards now. He'll be puffing in pride and said he won the contest.
And I'm sorry for how my actions led to today's event.
And my best friend Sven will be wondering where I am.
We can build houses and save trees.
I don't know where I am.